You want to build your business, you want to be a great personality, you want to develop your convincing skill, then watch this video till the end. Hi, I'm Rahul Rai. Today I'm going to talking about communication skill. Communication skill is not only about you are communicate or talking to anyone. It's all about your body language, talk with confidently and having good impression on your opponent's mind. आजको समय भनेको डिजिटल एरा हो. तपाईले कुनै पनि व्यक्तिको अटेन्सन ग्राबिङ गर्नु छ भने स्प्यान मात्रै 4 देखि 7 सेकेन्ड हुन्छ. द्याट्स वाइ यु हेभ टु डेभलप योर कम्युनिकेसन स्किल. 4 देखि 7 सेकेन्ड भित्र एटेन्सन ग्राब गर्न सक्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. अहिले टेक्निकल स्किलवालाहरूको थोरै डिमान्ड र इज्जत छ. म्यानेजरियल स्किलवालाहरूको अलिकति बढी र कम्युनिकेसन स्किलवालाहरू अनलिमिटेड ग्रोथ र अनलिमिटेड इज्जत छ. कम्युनिकेसन हरेकको लागि मास्टरी गर्दा एकदमै जरुरी छ. इफ यु आर अ हाउसवाइफ, you are a student, teacher, doctor, lawyer, if you are a salesperson, even you are a great personality. That's why sir, it's very important skill that you have to learn. आज मैले तपाईहरुको लागि आफ्नो कम्युनिकेसन कसरी इम्प्रुभ गर्न सकिन्छ, how to be a good communicator जस्तो क्वेशनहरुको सल्भ स्वरूप यो भिडियो ल्याएको छु. I am going to point out 10 points which helps to grow you and your communication skill. Number 1, dressing sense. Appropriate dressing sense हुन एकदमै जरुरी छ. तपाईको कम्युनिकेसनमा 20% तपाईको फिजिकल फिचर्सले इफेक्ट गर्दछ, लाइक यु आर सर्ट अर ब्ल्याक एसेक्ट्रा, बट 80% तपाईको एपियरेन्सले इफेक्ट गर्ने भएकोले यु हेभ टु ड्रेस वेल. एप्रोप्रिएट ढङ्गले ड्रेस गर्नु एकदमै जरुरी हुन्छ. कुनै पनि व्यक्तिसँग भेट्नु वा कुरा गर्नु अगाडि, लाइक इफ there is marriage reason, you cannot wear sandal and trouser. That's why you have to well dress for be a good communicator. Number 2, feelings. Feelings also affected when you are communicate. हामी सोच्छौँ हाम्रो फिलिङ्सले अरूसँग बोल्दा कसरी इफेक्ट गर्छ, बट इट्स फ्याक्ट. your communication is depends on how you feel. What is your feelings? Your feelings directly affect on your communication. If you are sad, you are not confident. It's effect on your communication. You have to be confident, happy when you talk. Feelings depend what types of conversation you will be executing. Number 3, body language. Gentle body language is very important. Like कहिले काहीँ कुराहरू गर्दा गर्दै खुट्टा हल्लाउने, हात यताउता गर्ने, it shows your confidence is down. It shows your nervousness. We have to deal with sitting posture, standing posture, when we are talk, our hands movements, these all points are affected on your communication. It is help to show how extraordinary or good communicator you are. That's why when we communicate, you have notice your body language, which is not be under confidence and showing your nervousness. Number 4, tone of voice. We have to care about our voice tone. It is suitable or not. Sometimes we are shouted or our volume is loud. Sometimes did not match with words and tone of voice. Like we are talking about sad things with loud voice and smiley face. That's not good. We have to communicate with matching tone of voice with situation. Like when opponents are happy, use happy tone. When opponents are sad, you have to be in sad tone. Number 5, clear all distraction before start conversation. It is simple thing, but it affects on your communication skill. You have to clear all distraction when you communicate. Like कहिले काहीँ बोल्दा बोल्दै फोन आइदिन्छ, ल्यापटप अन छ भने ल्यापटपतिर ध्यान जान्छ, एसेक्ट्रा. These are simple things, but its effects on your communication. Distraction को कारणले बोल्दा बोल्दै गरेको फ्लो खराब हुने र कम्युनिकेसनमा इन्ट्रेस्ट कम हुने भएकोले गुड कम्युनिकेसन हुन सक्दैन. That's why you have to care about your distraction. Number 6, greeting. Make connection with them. ग्रिटिङ गर्दा हामी हाम्रो बारेमा कम इन्फर्मेसन दिन्छौँ र कनेक्ट हुन पाउँदैनौँ. लाइक हाई, आई एम राहुल राई. इट्स strong greeting, sir. It's not help to establish connection with them, sir. But when you provide more information about you, they connect with you. For example, say them, hi, I'm Rahul Rai. I'm owner of TJP Design Construction Private Limited. You give them more information about you, they feel connected with you, and they also give you more information about them, and conversation begins and become interesting. त्यसै गरी नम्बर 7, प्रेजेन्स अफ माइन्ड. इट्स भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट स्किल जुन चाहिँ हरेक कम्युनिकेटरमा हुन एकदमै जरुरी छ. You have to be a good listener. You have listened them properly. You have to listen them not for just hearing and also with actively listen them. It's so तपाईँ त्यो व्यक्तिलाई अझै सुन्न चाहनुहुन्छ. They feel glad and they interested on you. अगाडिकोलाई जवाफ दिन वा उसले भन्ने बित्तिकै उसको कुरालाई ब्रेक लगाएर बोल्न होइन, उसलाई बुझ्न र सुन्नका लागि सुन्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. उसले बोल्दा बोल्दै उत्तर दिन, उसले बोल्दा बोल्दै उत्तर दिन खोज्नु, कम्प्लिट गर्न नदिनु, एक्सेट्रा द बिग मिस्टेक that we are done. That's why if you want to be extraordinary communicator, you have to first build a quality in you, that is you have to be a very good listener. Number 8, eye contact. कुनै पनि कन्भर्सेसनमा आई कन्ट्याक्ट एकदम जरुरी छ. इभन इफ यु आर स्पिकर अर लिसनर, आई कन्ट्याक्टले एटेन्सन ग्राब गर्न मद्दत गर्छ. दे फिल यु आर इन्ट्रेस्टेड अन स्पिकर, यु गिभ देम एटेन्सन. कहिलेकाहीँ हामी बोल्दा बोल्दै आँखा यताउता गर्ने, तलमाथि गर्ने, इट सोज यु आर नट इन्ट्रेस्टेड अन देम, which shows you are not a good communicator. That's why you have to make eye contact with them. Number 9, when they talk to you, you have to nodding them. You have to nodding them when they talk to you, like okay, or त्यसोको भयो, like that. It helps to get more attention on you. They feel you are interested on them. They think that मलाई त्यो मान्छे अझै सुन्न चाहन्छ. You can question them, etc. It's important to good communication. Number 10, talk with politely. जब कम्युनिकेसन स्टार्ट हुन्छ तपाईँले पोलाइटली बोल्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. हेर्नुहोस्, सबैलाई आफ्नो नाम प्यारो हुन्छ. इफ यु आर टक विथ देयर नेम, दे फिल अरे यार यसले मलाई नोटिस गर्दो रहेछ, यसलाई मेरो नाम पनि थाहा रहेछ. दे फिल मोर कनेक्टेड विथ यु. कुनै बेला आर्गुमेन्ट हुन्छ, त्यो बेला झगडा गर्नु, आर्गुमेन्ट गर्नुभन्दा एग्री विथ देम न, बट एट द एन्ड यु हेभ टु क्लिरिफाई देम. लाइक सर तपाईँ एकदमै सही हुनुहुन्छ सर, बट मैले भन्न खोजेको चाहिँ यस्तो छ. You have to deal with them gently, politely, which make your conversation best. ठुल्ठुलो आर्गुमेन्ट पनि डिस्कसनमा कन्भर्ट हुन्छ when you use these techniques when you communicate. सो हामीले अहिलेसम्म सिकेका कुराहरू समअप गर्दा त्यो 10 पोइन्ट्सहरू यस्ता छन्. नम्बर 1, ड्रेसिङ सेन्स. नम्बर 2, फिलिङ्स. नम्बर 3, बडी ल्याङ्ग्वेज. नम्बर 4, टोन अफ भोइस. नम्बर 5, क्लियर अल डिस्ट्र्याक्सन बिफोर स्टार्ट कन्भर्सेसन. नम्बर 6, ग्रिटिङ. नम्बर 7, प्रेजेन्स अफ माइन्ड. नम्बर 8, आई कन्ट्याक्ट. नम्बर 9, when they talk to you, nodding them. नम्बर 10, talk with politely. एट लास्ट, इफ तपाईँको कम्युनिकेसन स्किललाई एक्स्ट्राअर्डिनरी बनाउनु छ भने अब्जर्भ योरसेल्फ, अब्जर्भ डेली लाइफ, how we communicate, observe great personality like Obama speech, Bill Gates, Vladimir Putin, Elon Musk, Narendra Modi, etc. It helps to grow your communication skill and become extraordinary communicator. So it is helps to grow you. Do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and click on all for receiving all notification on your mobile. Like, comment and share this video with your friends, family, because तपाईको ग्रोथको लागि तपाईँ लगायत तपाईको फ्रेन्ड्सहरूको पनि ग्रोथ एकदमै जरुरी छ. तपाईलाई सुन्नको लागि तपाईँ जस्तै एक्स्ट्राअर्डिनरी पिपल चाहियो नि त. इट्स हेल्प टु ग्रो you as well as them also. And thanks for watching this video and lots of love.